Hi, and welcome to the course of Android Application Development using Kotlin. We are from Book of Brains and we specialize for providing the corporate training in the IT industry. All the trainers have ample of experience in their technologies. So what are the topics that we will together explore in this course? We will start our course with Getting Started section. In this section, we will get a brief introduction to Kotlin, its importance, how powerful is Kotlin, and what kind of applications you can build using Kotlin language. Along with this, we will check out how efficient is Kotlin in terms of Android application development. Proceeding, we will run our first Android application in an emulator. An emulator is an Android virtual device that is very similar to your physical Android device, but it is present within your system. We will also explore the Android project structure in detail. That is, what are the various aspects of an Android application project. Along with this, we will explore the concept of activities, intents, and even how to move from one activity to another using intents in Android. Also in this section, we will check out how to pass data from one screen to another, that is, from one activity to another. In the first two sections, after we build the foundation of the course, we will take a step ahead. We will learn how to design layouts for an Android application, and then implement list in Android using Recycler view along with the card view, and explore various Kotlin classes such as what is a data class and how to use Recycler view adapter class to bind data to the view of the list. Well, Kotlin is gaining exponential popularity day by day due to its concise and expressive code standards. So under this section, we will together leverage the power of Kotlin and use its feature in our Android application. We will explore features such as extension function, companion objects, default parameters, higher order functions and lambda expressions, and also we will explore how to get rid of null pointer exceptions by using the null safety operators available in Kotlin, and thus making our application more robust. An Android application is incomplete without its makeover. So under this, we will style our application and give it a professional look. We will get hands-on experience of how to apply material design themes to our Android application, change its primary and secondary colors, and also provide tints to our views or widgets present within our layout. Now, once our application is ready, we will move towards our final but most exciting part of this course. We will make our application so created live in Google Play Store and ask our friends to download it straight away from the Google Play Store. For this, we will create a developer account, export our project, fill out application details in the Play Store, and finally press the magic button that will make our application live. I won't demand much from you to get started with the course. Just be ready with your machine. It could be either Mac, Windows or Linux. So this course is designed in such a way that if you have Mac or Windows or Linux, then you can straight away get started with this course. And of course, during our journey, I expect you to be enthusiastic and also curious to know more about the topics. Now since we are about to develop Android application using Kotlin, so what about the knowledge of the Kotlin language? Well, if you do not know Kotlin, then please don't worry about it. But if you know Kotlin, then you will have plus point for this course. So even if you don't know Kotlin, you can straight away get started with the course. And the main objective of the course is to kickstart your Android application development using Kotlin. And throughout our journey, we will use Android Studio to get the hands-on experience and make the most out of this course. And since this course is designed for the beginners, so you will learn how to create application from scratch and publish it to the Google Play Store and flaunt it among your friends. So I hope you will join me in this journey and let us together explore how to create Android application using Kotlin.